Welcome to Montessori Minute. Today's project is sock puppets. All you need are some extra socks that are laying around and don't have pairs, and you can create a world of fun for your child. You can use buttons, you can use yarn, you can use googly eyes if you have them, but you can use beans to glue on for eyes or sew on for eyes. There are all kinds of possibilities. But the idea is that you don't want it to be super, super fancy because it's about the process of getting it on there and having fun with your puppet. Now, I don't know about you, but I have dozens of single socks laying around. I don't even know how. We all say the dryer gets them. Whatever the case may be, if you have single socks or you have old socks that don't fit anymore, it doesn't matter how big they are or how small they are, you can use them. And again, you can use buttons, you can use beans, you can use googly eyes, you can use yarn for hair or thread, you can use grass from outside. So get creative. I'm attaching a link that will help you figure out how to put it all together. Have fun. I'd love to hear about the plays that you do after you make your puppets. Thanks for joining me today.